Kajala Megalaya, Kanyotari Unaitung Aja, Arpo, Hadokapor, Saubaji, Janmit, Kaladan Sa Arpundre would Kibiyotamayu, COVID-19. U Dr. Amanwar, Habayathu, Hakinong Patai Kubor, Ulapente Banakiniki Arpundre would Kibiyotamai, Kasang would Kidiki Shipai BSF, na East Kazil District, Bakaang would Park Kideki Rupaiba, Nagabasan would Kidena East Kazil District, Banyong would Nariboy District. Kajala Megalaya hadu bapinmi yakani kubor kadan South Spotlight Ligi positive case, Lai Spot Sanpu Art Ligi active case, South Kandai Ligi recovered case, but Arnwood Kibla Klad no. Nagi Lai Spot Sanpu Art Ligi active case, Lai Spot New Ligi Day the East Kazil District, Hagaba Aspa Life Ringwood Kideki Shipai BSF, Kasangwood Naka Armed Force, but Sanpanyongwood Nakiru Paidba. Kariboy District kadan Lai Puit Ligi active case, Ka East Jantia Hills Arthali, West Garo Hills Kadan Pratali, South Garo Hills Arthali, East Garo Hills but North Garo Hills Kidan Markway active case.
The total number of new positive cases is 26. So the total active cases now is 352. East Khasi Hills 307. In the East Khasi Hills we have BSF 236, others 57, Armed Forces 14, Riboy District we have got 31, East Khasi Hills 2, East Jantia Hills, sorry, 2, West Garo Hills 8, South Garo Hills 2, East Garo Hills 1, and North Garo Hills 1. Recovered 49. The total number of samples sent till today 2 p.m. is 25,981. Number of persons tested negative 25,178. The number of test results awaited is 400, and the number of entrants from outside of Meghalaya till today is 22,329. Most of them are returnees. They are coming, so they are coming. I think they were already infected when they came here. BSF, we are sure that they also, most of them have, it has spread inside the BSF campus. That's why we have declared that containment zone, containment area.